Hello, this is Lolly, and I want to talk about art on the go today. I like to have a little kit of art, something to do creative to take with me on trips. And you may recall that a while ago, I think it was only on, I put it on my Facebook page and I put it on my blog, that I had gotten these first aid kits. I got them originally from Target, and they were empty for you to put first aid supplies in, and I thought they would make great art to-go kits. And a friend of mine, Terry, had picked up a few of these ones, and she's the one that really got me into this color here, and so she picked me up some of these from Target. And I even got some of these from Goodwill. I was just like collecting them all over the place. And then I designed this art, kind of like art therapy logo to put on them. And I did a giveaway, and I gave away, I think, 6 of these of the various colors. And some of them I actually personalized with the people's names on them. So anyway, that was a long story, but I am going to Creativation this year. And so I wanted to take something with me for memory keeping if I have a chance to do it. Plus, also, I wanted to be able to have a place to put the supplies that I need for my classes. So this is just a quick video showing what I'm doing with this. And I put my business card in there in case, you know, this gets misplaced or something. First off, I do want to use this, which is the Traveler's Notebook that I just made with the laminated cover. And I want to be able to work on one of these inserts, but although this would fit in here like that, it would be kind of difficult to put it into any of these pockets here. You see, it's just a little too wide. So what I thought I would do is just take a couple of the inserts themselves. That's all I really need, and probably one would be sufficient. So I can just put that there, and just for storage sake, probably that's all I'm going to take with me. And you may also remember that recently I got, I think I counted 150 of these Project Life cards from the thrift store. And these are, I think, the 3x4. Yeah, they're the 3x4. And I thought these would be really cute for journaling also inside of that. So I took a stack of those out. Here they are. I don't think that would fit there, so I can put those right in there with that. And I need a pen, obviously. And my one of the classes that I'm taking has required us to bring a black and a white marker that will write on our art journaling. So I have a Foodball 1.5, and I have the Uniball Sigma white, and I'm required to bring scissors. Now, you know, this is so pokey and sharp that I didn't want it, you know, getting stuck or hung up in here or ruining that. So I just cut 2 long triangles in chipboard and just taped them together as sort of a protective cover on that. I know I want some washi, so I'm grabbing these really thin ones here because I think they will interfere less with, you know, the whole bulk of what's going on there. So I'll put these in here. And then I also did this. I have these are those, oh, I don't know what you call them, but they are for wrapping embroidery floss on. So they're called like spools, I think, but these ones are plastic instead of the cardboard ones. And these are, I only had 3 left. So I'm going to put those in here as well, or maybe even in here because they're so little I don't want to lose them. The other thing I thought I would gather is just some stickers. These are some lavender and blue stickers, some Hello Kitty stickers a friend gave me, some little heart stickers from Close to My Heart a friend gave me, and some of these really cute gold ones from Heidi Swap. Let's see if those fit there. Yes, they do. They fit fine. Now, I also need glue sticks for my class, and so my 2 favorite glue sticks are the Yoo-Hoo, which is U-H-U, and the Avery Permanent Glue Stick. These are my faves, and so I don't know what kind of mixed media project I'm going to be working on in my class, so I'm going to take one of each just to be on the safe side. And the other thing I had gathered was I cut apart a lot of the, well, cut-aparts from the paper collection that matches these Traveler Notebook inserts that I have. And so I just am putting them all in here so that I have them on hand if they will work in any of my memory keeping that I'm doing. So this is a little long piece, and I folded it over so it would fit in here better. stick that in there as well. Yes, I'm glad I'm only bringing one of the inserts. Here's another thing. If you don't want the bulk of this one big pad, you know, I like to fan them out like this and spread them out so that they will fit more evenly inside there. And if these glue sticks are bothering me, I can always stick them in here. I think I might, because they're very bulky for that pocket. I just really want more flat things in there, and they work fine here. I have this other one out, but I don't think I need all of that. I think I'm good to go. I don't need a stapler or a ruler, although I just might bring one because I like having a ruler for drawing straight lines sometimes, or drawing borders. There we go. Now I'm good to go, and this is what I call my art on the go for my trip to Creativation. So all my supplies are in here, except that I will need a craft apron, but that's it. Thank you for watching. I really love these first aid kits. Keep an eye on them. Target seems to run them, you know, at intervals throughout the year, and then they clearance them out. And when they do offer them, they offer them free with the purchase of so many first aid supplies like bandages. And then after that, they clearance these out for a couple bucks a piece. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye on my Creativation videos that are coming your way.